So now let's see how to use the Cortana Search. So to access the Cortana Search, you can go on the bottom left, and here you can simply see an option to type here to search. So that is what Cortana Search is. So you can simply click over here and type in whatever you want. So I'm going to type in TutorTube just like this. I'm not pressing enter or anything, and you can see that it came up with a bunch of results right over here called TutorTube. You can see the folder. It asked me if I want to search the web for TutorTube. There's the documents, TutorTube, folders, photos, and so forth. If I want to narrow down my search, then what I can do is I can click on apps, then it'll try to search for TutorTube app. If I were to click on document, it'll just show me the document related to TutorTube right over there. It won't show me any folders. If I were to click on the web, it'll search the web for TutorTube right over here, just like this. So you can see that you can actually see my channel right over here. And if you were to click on more, you have more options as well. So you can just search for videos related to TutorTube right over here. You can just search some photos related to TutorTube, and that will appear. You can just search for music and so forth, which is related to TutorTube. So in order to access the file, so let's just go over to document. And let's say I want to see where this document is. So if I were to click it, then it'll open up the TutorTube Illustrator copy, which I don't want to open. So I'm going to just right click, and here you can see that you have an option to copy the path. So where that actually copies the address of the file right here. But in my case, I'm going to open up the file location, and what that does is it opens up where my file is located, the folder where this is located. So over here, let me just go over here again, and I'm going to type in TutorTube just like this. And if I were to actually go on to more and click on folders, it'll just show me the folder TutorTube. So now to access this, I can simply click on it, and then it'll open out the folder just like this. So similarly, you can just search over and search for anything you want over here from this search bar right here. So that's how you can use the Cortana Search, and in further lessons we're going to learn about how to use the voice commands as well. So hope you guys learn something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.